Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new workspace inside your account on Microsoft Loop in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to Microsoft Loop, log into your account, and what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the Workspaces tab here on the left-hand side. Here you will see your already created workspaces. Like if you sign up for the first time on Microsoft Loop, you will most likely see the Getting Started loop, workspace, of course, here. So if you'd like to create a new one, click into this button below, Create New Workspace. After that, give it a title like My First Workspace. Let me just use uppercase here. And after that, click into Create. And that's it. You will see your workspace here, so that you may, for example, navigate to workspaces and choose the one you would like to go with. And as you can see, you can create new workspaces inside your account. So to access it, click into it, and after that you may, for example, invite users to it or add pages to it and other items, but it's something we cover in other tutorials, guys. So that's how you create a workspace on Microsoft Loop. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.